Hi there, welcome back to Garden Spell channel. Today topic is the science of gardening. Why plants grow the way they do. Let's get into it. Have you ever wondered why plants grow the way they do? From tiny seeds to towering tree, every leaf, root and flower follow the fascinating scientific rules. Today, we will uncover the biology of the plant growth and how understanding it can make you a better gardener. Process 1. The seed, the starting point. Every plant journey begins with a seed. Inside that seed lie the embryo, store food, and the protection coat. Which conditions are right? Moisture, oxygen, and warmth. The seed absorbs water, activating enzymes that break down the food reserve. This process called germination. You rise to root first, then shoots. Process second, roots. The hidden engine. Roots aren't just anchors, they are the nutrition powerhouse. They absorb water and minerals through root heads and transport them via the xylem. Roots also store energy, communicate with the soil microbes through chemical signals, forming partnership like a mycorrhizae forming which boosts the nutrition uptake. Process third, stem and leaf, the food factory. Once roots do their job, stem carry the nutrition upward and stem take over as a solar panel. Using chlorophyll, plant capture the sunlight and combine the carbon dioxide which water create the glucose, their food. The process photosynthesis, that's why plant need the light, water and CO2. Process 4, hormones and growth pattern. Plants grow based on the hormonal signals. For example, auxins control cell elongation and photodropism. Why plants lead toward the light? Gibberellins promote stem growth, while cytokinins encourage cell division. Understanding these hormones can help gardeners train plants pure, effective, and boost. Process 5, flowers, fruit, and reproduction. After growing strong, plants focus on reproduction. Flowers attract the pollinators for a sexual reproduction, leading to the seeds and fruit. Temperature, day length, and hormones like ethylene signal when it's time to bloom and ripen. Process 6, what gardener can learn from science. So, what does this mean for you? If you know how plants grow, you can time your planting better. Use the right nutrition and proof of maximum healthy. Some example. First, water deeply encourage the strong root. Second, provide enough sunlight for photosynthesis. Third, the proof wisely to balance hormones and energy flow. And that's the science behind the gardening. If you enjoy this breakdown, hit the like button, share this with your gardening friends, and subscribe for more science backed tips. See you.